Dr. Muhammad Usman Yusuf is ranked among the leading allergy and asthma specialists in the world and has pioneered many health-related activities in the country during the last 36 years. He represents Pakistan at many international expert platforms and is currently the principal investigator of 2 UK government projects on COVID-19. He established the clinical immunology section at the National Institute of Health, Islamabad, who founded the government National AIDS program and established the allergy and department in Pakistan at the Pakistan Institute of Medical Sciences, Islamabad, in addition to his work in the private sector. Now I request the President to present a medal and certificate to Dr. Johnson. So I congratulate to all the 3 newly elected fellows today.